Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. This is me, your teacher, your maths teacher, Ms. Rida Asif from SM Public Academy, Campus 5. My dear, when you fall in love with Allah, the worlds turn into Jannah. So, with this message, let's begin our lecture. What we are going to discuss today, in chapter number 3, Algebra, we are going to discuss multiplication of polynomials from exercise 3.6. Okay? Which is on page number 49 of your book. The students, we have already discussed multiplication of monomials. Multiplication of monomials in exercise 3.5. Let's take a quick review on it. Monomials means single term. Here you can see that 3p is a single term. It is going to be multiplied with minus 6k. Okay, Jayakumar? These two terms are single terms, so they are called monomials. So how can we multiply two monomials together, Vijay? First, we have to multiply the signs. So plus minus gives minus. Okay, plus. If no sign is there, okay, if no sign is there, there will be the sign of plus. So plus minus minus. Now multiply the coefficient. 3 6 are 18. Okay, 3 6 are 18, and then you have to multiply the variable, that is p and q. And when we multiply two different variables, we get the same answer, that is only pq. So here we get the answer minus 18 pq. All right, Subhana. Let's take one more example. Again, we have to multiply two monomials. First, we have to multiply the signs. Minus minus plus 4 3s are 12. Now, a square, b square and ab square. Now we have to multiply the variables, and here the variables are having the powers, right? So we know that in multiplication, when bases are same, power will be added. When bases are same, power will be added. Here the base is a and here the base is a, right? So we can add their powers. Okay, when bases are same. Here the base is same, that is a. So here we can add the power. The power is 2, and here the power is no power is mentioned. That means power is 1. So I can write here minus minus plus 4 into 3. Now a is there. Okay. Now power is going to be added. So we get 2 plus 1. Okay, a power 2 plus 1. Now what about this b square? Here b square is there and b square. Again the base is same, that is b. Okay, here is b and here is b. So when the base is same, power is going to be added. The power is 2 and here the power is 2, that is square. Okay, b square. So we can add the power here. We get b 2 plus 2. Okay, we have to write b once. Okay, एक दफा we have written b, and then we can add their power, that is 2 plus 2. Now in the next step, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So we get the answer 12 a cube b raised to the power 4. Now student, in this question, there is monomial term, that is x square y square, and it is going to be multiplied with this bracket. Okay, now when the bracket is there, students, here when the bracket is there, what is the meaning of this bracket? That when we remove this bracket, this x square and y square is going to be multiplied with x square, then it is going to be multiplied with y square. Clear? It is going to be multiplied first with x square and then it is going to be multiplied with y square. So here we get x square. First term, I have written the first term here. Okay, this x square is written over here and x square y square. Okay, now there is a sign of plus, so copy down the plus sign here. Then y square, and then again copy down x square y square. What is the meaning of it? When the term is written outside the round bracket, it is going to be multiplied with the whole bracket. Okay, we have to multiply it with the first term as well as with the second term. Okay, now next is what we are going to do here. Bases are same, so x power 2 and x power 2 means x square. So x square, when bases are same, power will be added. We get x raised to the power 2 plus 2 and y square. Okay, we cannot add the power of y here. Why? Because the base is not same. Base means y is different and x is different, right? Now, plus sign is there. Here the base is y square and y square. So we can add their powers. Y power 2 plus 2. And x square is written as it is, right? Now, x power 2 plus 2 means x here, x power 4, y square plus y power 2 plus 2 means 4, and we get x power square. Okay, students? Clear? Now, multiplication of compound expression is our main topic. Now, for example, here a plus 4. How many terms are there? 2 terms are there. Okay. A plus 2. We have to multiply a plus 4 with a plus 2. How can we multiply two compound expressions together? The students, first we are going to multiply a with this whole bracket, right? Then plus 4 with this whole bracket. Like, look at this simplification carefully. A or A, yani first term, second bracket. Okay, first term I have taken the first term, second bracket plus. Then second term is plus 4. Okay, plus 4 is going to be multiplied with the second bracket. So I can write plus 4 and second bracket is a plus 2. Okay, again I'm telling you, I'm repeating my words. When two compound expressions are there, I have taken the first expression. So I have taken a here, first term, second bracket, second term, second bracket. Okay, look at this simplification. First term, okay, first term, second bracket. This is the second compound expression. Then the second term of first bracket, that is plus 4, and second expression of compound expression, right? Is it clear? How can we multiply? How can we multiply two compound expression? How can we multiply two compound expression? First, I have taken A. Okay, first I have taken A and I have multiplied it with the A plus 2. Okay, then plus 4 sign, plus 4 is copied as it is and it is going to multiply with this whole second compound expression. Clear, students? Now, good. Now students, here A is going to be multiplied with A plus 2. So A is going to be multiplied with A and then A is going to be multiplied with this 2. So A into A is, when bases are same, power will be added. We get A raised to the power 2. That means A square. Okay. Then plus sign will be there. Then 2A. Okay. Then 2A. So here we get A into A is A square. A multiplied with 2 is 2A. Now what about this? Plus sign is copied here. 4 into A is 4A. 4 into A is 4A. And 4 into 2 is 4 2s are 8. Now, can we solve it further? Yes, obviously. Can you add a square with this 2a? No. Why? Because in addition, Aisha, in addition, yes, you are right, Aisha. In addition, we cannot add the variables with different powers. So we cannot add a square with this 2a. Now, can we add 2a and 4a? Yes, we can add these two terms. So we get here 4 plus 2 is 6a. Then plus 8 will be copied as it is. So it is our final answer. We cannot solve it further. Why? Because variables with the powers are different. Okay? Keep remember in your mind that for addition in addition of algebraic expressions, variables with the powers must be same. Now the next question. Now similarly, you can see that in the next question, we have to multiply two terms, that is binomial term, with the binomial term. Again, students, look at this question, Sheroz, Adan, Saad, please look at this question properly, bete. First, we have to take the first term, then second bracket, then second term, and second bracket. Okay? Now, first term, for the second bracket, then second term, second bracket, like this. Look at this simplification. First term, second bracket, minus 3b, that is second term, and second bracket. Clear? Now, students, can you multiply these terms? Here, 2a is written outside the bracket, so it is going to be multiplied with this whole bracket. Ahad, are you getting me? Ahad, Sumaya, Zainab, Rida, Rahim. What we have to do here, we have to multiply 2a with this 3a. Okay, so 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and a into a is a square. Now 2 into 2 is 4 and a into b is ab. Right? We have multiplied the first term with the second bracket. Now what about the second term and second bracket? Here is the sign of minus. So first we have to multiply the signs, right? So minus plus, we get minus. Okay, minus plus minus. 3 into 3 is 9. B into A is AB, right? B into A is AB. Then plus, then minus plus, minus. 3 2s are 6. B into B. When bases are same, power will be added. Very good. So we get B square. Clear, everybody? These two steps are properly clear or not? Now, can you add these four terms? No, we cannot add these all four terms because variables with the powers are different. So 6a square will be written as it is. What about the center two terms? Okay, the terms which are written in the center. Look at these two terms. These terms are having the variables ab and ab. That means we can add them. Okay, now 4 plus 4 minus 9. Okay, when the negative number is greater, answer will be negative. Remember, minus 9 is there. Okay, so we get the answer here. Minus, we get the, in the answer we get minus 9. 9 minus 4 is 5.
ये वाला भी मैंने देखा है 2a और 3b वाला
We get minus 5ab. Minus 5ab and minus 6b square will be copied as it is. Clear, everybody? Yes, Umar, is it clear? Umar? Everything is clear? Yes, Alishba Rizwan? If you are having any query, ask the question. Umar, can you please tell me your roll number and section? Okay, Ramla, I am going to explain the second step again. Let's take another example. Okay, Alishba, I'm taking one more example. Now here, students, the question, in this question, we have to find the product of. But a product means multiply. Okay, again, we have to multiply these two compound expressions. Now look at this question carefully. Sheros, if there are three terms, this is called what? This compound expression is called what? Yes, Rida. Yes, Sumaya. Bete Aisha, tell me in the chat box. Zohaib Irfan. When an algebraic expression containing three terms, it is called what? Trinomial. Very good. Hania. Okay, so we get the trinomial. Very good, Bete. Now, students, we have to multiply. Alishba, pay attention, please. Now, there are three terms in the first bracket, okay? And two terms, that means binomial term is there. So what I am going to do in the first step, Ramla, look at the second step carefully. This is the first term, okay? M square is the first term. So first term, second bracket, then plus second term, second bracket, then plus third term, second bracket. In this way, I have to write the second step. Okay, look at this step. Here first term is going to be multiplied with this whole bracket, then second term with this whole bracket, and then third term with this whole bracket. Now look at this step. What I have done, I have simply write what I was explaining. Okay, look at this first term, second bracket. Okay, then second term with the plus sign, because here the sign is plus. Second term, second bracket. Then the third term, and again second bracket. Now this step is clear, Bete? What I have done, first term, second bracket, plus second term, second bracket, then third term of the first compound expression and second bracket. Is it clear now? Okay, Ramla. What about you, Alishba? This step is clear now? Now, students, next step is we just have to multiply m square with this whole bracket, then mn with this whole bracket, and then n square with this bracket. That's it. This is the step number. This is the next step. So between m square and m, when bases are same, power will be added. So here I get m square plus m square and m power 1. That means 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, m square n. Okay, plus m square n. Then plus sign will be copied here as it is. Plus sign here, plus sign will be copied here as it is. Then mn is going to be multiplied with m. So m into m is m square and n will be written as it is. Okay, now plus. Okay, now mn is going to be multiplied with n. M will be written as it is and n into n is n square. Okay, now what about the third bracket? Plus. N square m is mn square. And n square and n, that means here the power is 2 and here the power is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. We get n power 3. N power 3 means n cube. What is the meaning of n power 3? N cube. Is it clear? Is this step is clear? What we have done, we have just multiplied m square with the whole bracket, then mn with this whole bracket, and then n square with the whole bracket. Now students, we have to do addition here. Here students, m square n is there and m square n is there. Here the variables with the powers are same. So we can add these two variables. And mn square, mn square. These two variables are same, having the same powers. So we can add these two variables only. Okay? We cannot add n cube and n cube. So we get the answer here. This is no coefficient is there. That means there is 1 and there is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is? 1 plus 1 is? We get 2. 2 m square n. And here again 1 plus 1 is 2 mn square. So this is our answer. Bete, please remember, we cannot add these two terms. So Bhana, why we cannot add m 2m square n and 2m n square? Why we cannot add these two variables? Why we cannot add these two terms together? Can you please tell me in the chat box? So hey, why we cannot add m square n, these two terms? Why we cannot add these two terms? Yes, Zohaib. Why we cannot add these two terms together? Yes, Ramesh. Yes, Zohaib. Please tell me the answer.
Yes. क्या कहते हैं इसको
Okay, I'm waiting for your answer because they are different. Because Alishba is saying that they are different and Sharul is saying that the power of m is different in both the terms. Very good. Okay, so very good because the powers are different. But we know that the powers and variables with the powers must be same. Very good. Okay, for addition and subtraction, the variables and the powers must be same. Now the next question. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there, and in the second bracket 2 terms are there. So what is the first step? What is the first step, students? We have to multiply x power 4 with this whole bracket. Then second term, second bracket. Repeat my words. Third term, second bracket. Fourth term, second bracket. Then fifth term, second bracket. Don't forget this minus sign. Okay? Don't forget this minus sign, students. Okay, Alishba Sarfaraz, Iman, Rashid, Haris Mehboob, everything is clear, bete? So students, here, first term, second bracket, second term, second bracket, then third term with the sign. Please, Iman, we have to, if there is a sign of minus, you have to put the sign of minus over here also. Don't forget the sign. Okay, if one sign is wrong, your whole question is going to be wrong. Okay, so fourth term, second bracket, fifth term, second bracket. That's it. Now, students, what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to multiply the first term here. The first term is x power 4 and here x power 1. So we get the answer. We get the answer x power 5, right? X power 5. Now minus sign will be copied as it is, and x power 4 into 1. Okay, x power 4 into 1 is x power 4. Just like 2 ones are 2, in the same way, x power 4 ones are x power 4. Is it clear? Now, in the same way, we can multiply these terms with this bracket, then this term with the bracket. Let's see the solution, students. Here, we have multiplied, and we get this answer of this first solution. Okay, now here 2x cube is going to be multiplied with x. So 2 ones are 2 and x cube x are, we get x power 4. Plus minus minus. Okay, Alishba Sarfaraz, and 2x cube ones are 2x cube. But please don't forget to multiply this term with the second term. You have to multiply this whole term with this bracket. And when you have to multiply the whole term with the bracket, please don't forget to multiply this term with the second number. Okay, now minus x cube is going to be multiplied with x. So we get minus, plus minus minus, and x square x are x cube. Okay, and x square ones are x square, and minus minus, Jay Kumar, minus minus bete, plus, minus minus is plus. Now 2x x are, we get plus 2x square, then plus minus minus, and 2x ones are 2x. Then the last term is minus 5x are, we get minus 5x. And minus minus, minus minus, plus. 5 ones are 5. This step is clear, my dear? This step is clear? Now, students, in the next step, we have to simplify. Now, look at the terms. First term is x power 5. There isn't any more term, so we are not going to add this term. Okay, the next term is x power 4 and x power 4 is there. Is there any more term? No. That means we can add these two terms. Okay, we can add these two terms together. This is x power cube. We can add these two terms together. This is x square and x square. We can add these two terms together. We can add these two terms together. Now, beta, x power 5 will be written as it is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get plus x power 4 here. Now what about minus 2 and minus 1? Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. Okay, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. Plus 2 plus 1. Here look at this expression. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so we get plus 3x squared. Now minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 minus 5, minus 7. And plus 5 will be written as it is. Can we solve it further? Students, can we solve it further? No. Why we cannot solve it further? Because all the terms are having different powers. So we cannot add them further. Clear? Everything is clear? Any question? Yes, student, any question? Suhaib, any question? Ramiz? Yes. Halima, is there any question, bete? Manahil Khan, Muhidur Rahman, Mir Arham, Nuseba, bete, is there any question? Okay. Umar, please mention your section and roll number. Okay, now if there is no question, so it's my turn to ask the question. Ready? So question number 1 is on your screen. I am assigning this question to Jay Kumar here. Jay Kumar and Saagsuram. Jay Kumar, Saagsuram and Romesa Abid. Okay? And second question is for Aisha, Ramla, Hania. Okay? But what is the question? We have to multiply two monomial terms. So simple. First, we have to multiply the sign, then the coefficients, and then the variable. Yes, Aman Jahan Mughal Biti, when the bases are same in the multiplication. Aman, in the multiplication, when bases are same, power will be added. So here I get the answer by Rida, Rahim and Halima and Zainab. Shehroz has given me all the answers. Very good, Amma. Very good, Anna. Now let's see what is answer number 1. Oops. Okay, so the answer number 1 is minus 12a square and b square. Bete, we have to multiply. When we multiply the terms, the power is going to be added. Na? So a into a is a square. Yes, Shehroz, you are right. Okay, what about the second question? What about the second question? Ramiz, in the last question, mn square and m square n tha. Okay, so bases and powers must be same. Okay, when bases and powers are same, we can add the coefficients. Yes. So the next question, answer number 2. I got the answer number 2 by here. I got the answer by Saad Khurram, by Rumesa, by Subhana, by Umar. Let's see the answer here. We get the answer a square b minus ab square. No, Jay Kumar, bete, we have to, answer will be a square b. Okay, we have to multiply this term with the whole bracket. Okay, so a square b, then minus sign will be there, then a b square. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Sheroz, your second answer is again, you are correct. Okay, now answer number 3 here is given by Rida and by Iman, by so many students, by Manahil Khan, by Muhidur Rahman. Let's see the answer. And the answer number 3 is 4mn. Yes, the students, you all are correct. Okay, very good. Here the answer number 3 is, yes Mohit, you are right, Rami is correct. So here we get the answer 4mn. Yes, Saad, you are right. Now the next question is, choose the correct answer. But you properly solve these 3 questions and just tell me that which option is correct. Okay, I am asking question number 1. Question number 1 is multiply a plus 1 by a plus 1. Okay, now the compound expressions are there. Abdullah Hassan. Abdullah Hassan. Abdullah, can you please tell me your roll number and section? So students, please mention the question number also. Abdullah, you have written B only. Okay, just mention that which question is this. The students are saying, Manahil is saying that, Manahil, I am asking about question number 1 right now. Please tell me about question number 1, only question number 1. Some students are saying A, some saying B. Aisha is saying option A is correct. Halima is saying that A. Okay, Ahmad. Hania is saying A. Rida is saying, Rida, I'm asking about question 1, please. Saad is saying A. Abdullah is saying that, Hassan is saying that B. Rami, let's see the answer. Answer is B. Okay, not A. Answer is B, because the students, when we multiply the last 2 terms, we get 1 into 1 is 1, not 2. हमें add नहीं करना है. Suhaib, late answer दिया आपने. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1, not 2. Now what about question number 2? Question number 2. It's okay, bete. Aisha, is it clear now? Okay, so students are saying that here Sheroz, Abdullah, Rida, they are saying that option B. Ali, Ali, where were you? Everything is clear, Ali? So option B is correct. Jay, bete, why we get the minus sign, bete? In question number 2, minus, minus, plus. We have to multiply first the signs. So option B is correct. What about question number 3? Now give me the answer of question number 3. So here Sheroz is saying that C, Ali is saying that C, Suhaib is saying that B is correct, Hania is saying that C. Let's see. Very good. Option C is correct. Okay, option C is correct. Umar, Jay Kumar, look at this expression, bete. X into X is X square plus X into 2 is 2X. Umar, this question is clear or not? Okay. Now, the last question is X plus 1 is going to be multiplied with X plus 2. Now, students, what is the step number 1 when the compound expressions are there? Can you please write it in the chat box? What is the step number 1? Can you please write in short? Iman, I'm not getting any answer from you. Yes, Haris, Iman, what happened, bete? You are not giving me any answer. Mir Arham, Nuseba, Adan, Zainab. Wait, what is the step number 1 when the compound expressions are there? Hold on, students. I'm taking your attendance. Okay. Now, what is the step number 1? I was asking about the step number 1. First, we have to divide x with the whole term and then first with the whole term. 1 with the whole term. Okay. So Hania is saying that first term and is going to be multiplied with the second bracket. Very good, Hania. And the second term is 1 with the second bracket. Very good. So here the students have already solved the question. Yes, Aisha, absolutely right. Okay, absolutely right. So we get the answer here. X square, then 2x, then plus 1x plus 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3. And we get the answer x square plus 3x plus 2. Plus 2. Okay, Jay Kumar? Now, students, thank you so much, my dear students. I hope that today's lecture is properly clear to you. Take care of yourself, my dear. And Allah Hafiz.